Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the WeCool Moonwalk Mini True Wireless Earbuds. This is a very small box, as you can see. There's some specifications here. Let's go through them. There's not much I can gather from this since there's a large sticker over here. Actually, maybe if I remove this plastic packet, I'll be able to see them. Let me just do that quickly. This plastic covering is probably obscuring the specifications. Let me just do that quickly so that I can give you some more specifications. And there you are, you can see everything clearly now. So this particular earbuds has a battery capacity of 50 mAh each. The transmission range is 10 meters. The battery capacity of the charging case is around 300 mAh. The frequency response is 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Standby time is 100 hours. Music play time is about 4 hours. Charging time is about 1.5 hours. Talk time of 3 hours. And that's it. That's more or less all the information that we can gather from this box. Let's open this up and see what's inside. This is a warranty card. Okay, there's a lot of stuff here. But this is basically this is what you find inside this box. This is the charging case, the 300 mAh charging case. Let's take a look at each of these things. These are basically your extra silicone buds. You have the medium variety and the large variety in this particular pouch. I'm going to leave this right over here. This is the micro USB charging cable for this particular earbud set. And this is the True Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds user manual. It's a very important document. Should read it at least once. Now let's take a look at the earbuds themselves. So this is the charging case. This is a 300 mAh charging case. It has a glossy black finish and it's made out of plastic. It looks flimsy, and by the way, this is not an opaque surface. If you look carefully, you will notice that this is actually a transparent surface. I don't know if you can show this to you there. Okay, it's not transparent, more like translucent, but it's very mildly so. That's a nice touch, and these are the magnetic sensors where the earbuds get attached magnetically like that. That's one, and this is number two. See, the moment I attach these LEDs, they start glowing, and you see a number over here that says it's written 75, which means these buds now have 75% charge. I'll get them out of there. Also, there's the micro USB charging port right over here. So let's take a look at the buds themselves. They are now powered on because I put them in the charging case. They have this angular nozzle, which I am assuming around 45 degrees. The silicone earbuds that are attached to the earphones right now are the small variety. And it also sports this black and yellow color combination, which is unique to say the least. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the WeCool Moonwalk Mini True Wireless Earbuds. Thank you for watching.